Hello, folks, and welcome back to Crocodile Hunter 3000's YouTube show, where we are gonna try to do some Masters of Teras with a fight stick. Let's see. Sometimes you can take advantage of the game's crappy programming and get a move to work when it really shouldn't by other fighting game standards. But, you know, shit is what it is. I'm not better, I just finished practicing a little bit. And, basically, fucking this. No. Like that. Let's see. Alright. There you go. I was gonna say, where's the move? I'm not exactly better with a fight stick at this game, but I don't know. It's kind of I don't know, I feel like we're being watched. No. Haha. But, come on, man. Oh, Lord. Alright. Alright, try it again. Alright, try it again. Maybe. Or don't. How about this? There we go. And we can beat them. It seems. A little bit. Why not? Oh yeah. People talking in the background, that's people working. Let's see. Nope, not what I wanted to do. Alright. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on! Thank you. There we go. There we go. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna say, yeah, I'm not better with a fight stick at this game, like I already said. It's just like, I don't know. My muscle memory is all on a PlayStation controller at this point, so. I mean, yeah, it was a PlayStation game, so, you know, go figure, but. Alright. Alright. Alright, we can do that. Do that. Let's see. Let's see. There we go. Trying to get my muscle memory on an arcade stick, it's not easy. But, yeah, not bad. Alright. Let's try this. Hey, it worked. Alright. Let's see. That combo's way easier to pull off. Let's see. Yeah, that one. Okay, fight stick. Note to self. Play Vader with a fight stick. But, yeah, okay. Let's see. Darth Vader, Martin Lin, Han Solo, Boba Fett. Alright, let's see. Oh, you suck. Nope. Nope. Oh, fuck you, dude. Bullshit. Oh, bullshit. No. Okay. Bullshit. Alright. Oh, you're kidding. Fuck you, asshole. See, not better with a fight stick. Oh, Lord. Oh, come on. Yep, you just gotta do that combo a couple times. That was just way too damn easy. For a bad game like this, oh yeah. Oh, come on. Come on, no! Thank you. No. Oh, but no, you don't. Oh, Vader, if you had rolled a little sooner, you would have had Jodo. Alright, Jodo Cash. Jodo douchebag. Oh, you're kidding. You actually opened with that. Fuck you, man. Nope. Oh, come on. That was lame sauce. Versus the Stormtrooper. Let's see what we can do some damage. Then maybe show us Han Sinku Hadouken. Hey, I'm doing a fireball. That's not even what I wanted you to do. Hello! Hello! Oh my god, game. Wow. I didn't want to cancel that second kick. Alright, there we go. Okay, so we don't get to show up Han Sinku. Well, that's no worries. Let's see. I think I'm gonna show off a couple more combos in this video and then call it quits. Let's see. What is there to show? Let's see. Alright, so it's not circle at the end, it's X. There we go. Nope. Yeah. Hey, come on. see, that's Boba Fett. Alright, now. We'll do Han's Senku Hadouken for you. Hold on. No, fucker. Thank you. Alright, there we go. Come on, dude. Alright, enough messing around. Here's the Senku Hadouken for you. Wait. Dude. Oh, come on. Why'd you cancel it, Bucker? There we go. And that's how it's done. Yep. Alright, let's see. Yeah, okay. There we go. Alright, well, I'm gonna call it quits for this video, but hope you all enjoyed watching me try to play this game with Fightstick. But, anyway, y'all have a good one, and peace out.